Yes, welcome to my channel. This is Skyward. I train people on how to make money online on affiliate marketing, and with my tutorial and my guide, you are going to be making thousands of dollars weekly. Follow my videos, watch my videos to see what I have for you. Yes, good day everyone. I go by name Skyward. If you can see this video, like this video and subscribe to my channels for more videos on how to make money online. Yes, making money online is what everybody wants now, because it is even from working from home, you can earn more than those that work 9 to 5. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I am making thousands of dollars weekly on Clickbank affiliate marketing, which you can also do on other affiliate marketing platforms like JVZoo, Plus, or any Shopify store. So as you all know, that affiliate marketing is just selling a product for a company and getting commission for each product to sell. So the higher the number of products to sell, the higher your commission sometimes, and the higher the price of the product, the higher your commission also. So, and since we know that in this form of marketing, we have the product, we have the buyer, we have we have the seller, which you are the affiliate marketer. Yes. So, and in this kind of setting, we know that marketing is very important. Yes, because you need to make your product known to your audience or your clients that are going to be buying your product. So in affiliate marketing, there are two major ways by which you can promote your products. You have the free traffic system and the paid traffic system. Let me start for the paid traffic system. Yes, the paid traffic system is a system whereby you pay a digital platform like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube to create adverts for your product. Yes, they create adverts for products, and with that you can choose the audience or people you want to see the advert. So that's the paid traffic system. Why the free traffic system is the one I'm going to be giving to you here and showing you how it is earning this wonderful amount you can see on the screen. Yes, as a affiliate marketer, I am also a software developer, and over the years I've developed several softwares which I'll be using on my affiliate marketing platform. And with I have new softwares which come from the upgrading of the previous ones, and this software is very efficient as it will generate thousands of targeted traffics online daily on digital platforms and promote your affiliate product with this audience or targeted traffics for commission. Yes, because there's high guarantee on my software that you are going to be earning daily with my software on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Yes, my software works with any affiliate marketing platform. Is it JVZoo, Plus, or any affiliate marketing platform? Yes. So to get my software and video course and start any of your affiliate marketing platform and join the click of the smart one that I'm making sales even from home, contact me on my Gmail at skyward.71@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen. Text me on my Gmail at skyward.71@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen to get started and earning from home. Once again, I go by the name Skyward, and I train people on how to make money online. Thank you.